Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Dear students, we have discussing a poem that is Occasion. Already we have completed three stanzas of this poem. In today's class, we are going to discuss, remaining part of the poem. Dear students, as I told you in the previous classes, it talks about innocence behavior of a child. A child is totally unaware of, harshness condition of the life. Okay, let us begin the next part. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. Dear students, in this stanza, the child wants to become watchman. When it gets dark in the evening, in the night, child mother sends him to the bed. When the child goes to the bed, he sees through the open window there is a watchman walking up and down. In the night, through the window, the child sees the watchman. What watchman is doing? The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. At that time, totally, lane means here a narrow path. Narrow path of the streets were dark and lonely. Nobody was there except watchman. Watchman, he stands with like a giant. Giant means a huge person. Watchman stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. So lamp, it was totally, it had red eye, red light. Okay. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with shadow at his side. The watchman was moving on the streets with the help of lantern. Lantern means lamp. Totally, the watchman is in the dark. Nobody was there. He is totally lonely. And he moves around the streets with the help of lantern. Means with the help of lamp. Okay. And never once goes to bed in his life. And here the child said that watchman did not care about his sleep because nobody was to tell him, bring him to the bed. Whenever he wishes to sleep on the bed at that time, then he goes to the sleep. Nobody was there to bring him to the bed. Like how the child's mother takes him to the bed, like that. Nobody was there. Nobody was in the streets. Nobody was there in the dark. He was completely lonely. Okay, he moves as he wishes on the dark street. Okay, when the child observed the condition of the watchman, suddenly the child said, if he wished he could become watchman. So that in the last stanza, the child again, feels that to become watchman. Okay. I wish I were a watchman walking the streets all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. Okay. The child wants to be watchman because if he becomes watchman, he can walk around the streets all the night and chasing with this shadow with the help of lamp. Okay, dear students, here uh, in the first the child meets hawker, then the child decided to become hawker. Okay, in the second time the child meets gardener. When the child observed the life of gardener, the child decided to become gardener. Okay, in the last stanza, finally the child meets who? Watchman. Again, the child wants to become watchman. Okay, with this, dear students, I hope you have understood what I am telling. Uh, if you have any confusion, any question, you can ask me. We have completed this poem. Still, if you have any confusion, if you can ask me. Thank you for watching this video. Have a beautiful day.